Making quinoa chocolate chip cookies. We're trying to, show other alternatives. We're going to use flour today, but you can use almond flour, coconut flour, garbanzo bean flour works really well when you want to go gluten-free. We're going to use white sugar and brown sugar, but you can also use like coconut sugar or, if you're Splenda or any of the other alternatives. But we're going kind of classical style chocolate chip cookie, just adding quinoa. So we have right here a quarter stick of melted butter. We're going to add in a quarter cup of granulated sugar and a third cup of dark brown sugar. And we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg. It's nice and smooth. Now we're going to add the quinoa, half a cup, our flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, already mixed up in the bowl here. We're going to use dark chocolate. They're actually like pecans. We broke them up. We're actually going to do, it's still a little soft. I'm just going to roll it into balls on our cookie sheet. You can ask anybody that's worked with me. I always set my timer in intervals of 7. 7 minutes for cookies. They're not going to be done, but that's when you guys turn the pan. And I'll go another 7 minutes, and that's generally a max time. That's 14. It'll be more than done, but I always check everything at 7 minutes. Whether it's chicken, fish, whatever, I go 7 minutes, check it, spin it, do all that, and go 7 more minutes, and 7 more minutes, and 7 more until it's done. It's just the way I was taught. It's better to check it early than check it too late. So that's where we're at, and we'll tune back in a little bit. Alright, it's been 7 minutes. Our timer just went off. I've got my, this is also PPE. Everybody knows that term now because of the masks. But we in food service have been doing PPE for years. Oven mitts, cut gloves. Alright, we are ready to pull them out of the oven. Now a little restaurant trick. Main reason why we cook on paper is instead of having to take each one off, we just take the whole sheet off. The table, the counter is much colder, and they'll stop cooking and start cooling down.
Now, look at that. It's beautiful. That's what I did all day. Let's look at what you're going to do today.
Alright, we're going to do, first off, we're doing quinoa keto oatmeal raisin cookies. So everything is keto. So we have our butter.
Okay. Just regular butter, salted or unsalted?
Just regular butter. We generally go salted, so because that's just how we roll in this house. This is a third of a cup of coconut brown sugar. And this is a quarter cup of monk fruit sweetener. And we're going to add our 1 egg with 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Pure vanilla extract?
Real vanilla. And it kind of looks like almost like a caramel sauce.
Oh, it does. Looks good.
Yeah, this is the easiest cookies to make ever. So that's 1 cup of quinoa flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Mm.
And now we're gonna add the raisins and the oatmeal.
That's the only bummer about this whole thing is the raisins.
Why?
Because they should be chocolate chips.
Why should it be chocolate chips?
Because chocolate chips just taste better.
Not the raisins. It's because I think it needs more oatmeal than what I thought it was going to need. So I started with a 1/2 cup. That's roughly another 1/2 cup.
Okay.
That's it. This is the first time premiering live recipe.
Pressure's on. Better get it right.
Yeah.
Better get it right. Ooh, that looks nice.
It needs a little more.
Oh my gosh. So another 1/2 cup?
Yeah.
So now 1.5 cups.
Yeah. Alright, now it's gotta sit in the fridge for about a 1/2 hour.
All alone in the fridge. Are you gonna cover it?
Oh yeah.
Because you know how I get. Now, is there a purpose of covering it though?
Yeah, so it doesn't take on the smell
Fridge
of the
smell?
refrigerator.
Okay.
And of course we have a good plastic wrap.
Nice.
Alright. Now we're gonna make a quinoa coconut flour chocolate chip. So quinoa chocolate chip cookie. But with coconut flour, coconut brown sugar, and monk fruit sweetener for the white sugar. So keto, low glycemic, diabetic friendly, healthy. Even the chocolate chips are keto, no sugar added.
Do you know what brand?
Lily's.
Oh, cool.
We have our 1/2 cup of butter, our 4 ounces of butter. I don't remember how. Yeah, 1/2 cup. Now you got me sick. 1/3 cup of the monk fruit sweetener, 1/4 cup of the coconut brown sugar, and just like the other cookie we're making on a separate video that you can find on the page as well.
What's the page called?
I'm pretty sure it's called Chris Loves.
Nice. Okay.
It should be Super Fine Chef, but for some reason it wants me to have my actual name. I'm not that YouTube savvy. We have 1 egg with our vanilla. Looks like it's almost like a caramel. It's not caramel, but
It looks like it.
yeah,
I wish it was.
it kind of is. I mean, once it's cooked. And then we have our coconut flour.
Do you think this is going to taste coconutty?
A little bit, just like the quinoa one tastes really quinoa-like. Whereas this is going to be more coconut flavor with the interlacing of the quinoa, because the quinoa is cooked quinoa. Whereas the other one's quinoa flour, so it's got that quinoa taste all the way, all the way through. So now we're adding our quinoa, chocolate chips.
I love those Lily chocolate chips.
Well, these cookies are for you,
I know. I can't wait.
The oatmeal raisin ones I'm hoping are good because I love oatmeal raisin.
Good.
And
It's nice for
you
you.
would like it because it's healthy and you want me to eat healthy.
I would like that for you.
But that's why the third cookie is not healthy.
What is it?
It's the same. It's the exact same as this, but made with real flour, real sugar,
Real chocolate chip
real
cookies.
chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips, I mean.
And they were delish. That's where the recipe originated. Was with those, and now I'm making the alternatives. Alright. Bowl. So, needs to sit in the fridge for about a half hour.
Take a time out.
We'll come back to it at that time.
We'll miss it. We'll think about it. It does look good.
Yeah.
Which do you think will be better? Hi, Chris.
Hi, Aaron.
How are you?
Which one? Oh yeah, we got the oatmeal, raisin, quinoa.
It's raisin quinoa.
It's raisin some quinoa. Raisin. So we're just gonna scoop some real quick.
Ooh, I smell the quinoa. It's very strong. Quinoa strong. Not the hugest raisin fan, but you know they look good and they smell good.
If anything, the raisin's gonna make it better.
Really? The thing is, though, when you see a cookie and it's got the little brown dot, don't you wish it was a chocolate chip?
No.
I think we all do.
Not if it's an oatmeal raisin.
Okay. All right.
I mean, we go oatmeal raisin chocolate chip. See, the benefit of this is we're just making a little bit right now. You want to add chocolate chips? You can add chocolate chips.
Oh yeah.
You know, you have the raisins and the chocolate chips.
What about dates and chocolate chips?
Yeah, we can do that too.
Oh, that's a good idea
Or
too.
you can literally just add more.
That's good. I like that. Cause it even says it like speaks to me. Chocolate chip. Oh my God.
Doing your chocolate chip oatmeal raisin because you wouldn't stop asking about chocolate chip. Chocolate chip needed either way, so here's your chocolate chip balls.
She's on.
That's how I normally make them.
At home.
Yeah. Well, at work just with gloves.
Right. It's for us.
I use the
They smell so good.
heel of my hand right there.
Oh, nice.
Sounds like making meatballs or falafel or anything you gotta scoop.
You just kind of push it off the heel of your hand.
Yeah.
Can I see what the top looks like when you do that? Oh. See the levelness of it. Okay.
Because contrary to popular belief, these are not ice cream scoops. They're portioning scoops.
Son, and the war is just